The Instant Payment Platform, IPP, of the program will enable real-time digital payments and will also support government two-person payments. IPP is being developed by the Bank of Namibia in partnership with an Indian company, NPCI International, as well as support from Namclear and Waterhouse. The launch was recently delayed to the third quarter of 2026 by the Minister of Finance, Ericah Shafudah. Many Namibians expected to be able to make instant payments by the first half of 2026, after earlier delays from a late 2025 launch date. The Director of Strategy, Projects and Transformation at Bank of Namibia, Valeria Mbango, detailed the main technical reasons behind the instant payment program's delay.
National payment systems are quite complex, and it involves quite a lot of integration with also multiple stakeholders. In this case, we have banks, non-banks, and infrastructure providers. So during the implementation process, we did realize that we needed to do additional work to just ensure that all participating institutions, including the Bank of Namibia, in fact, that we just meet the standards that are necessary for real-time payment systems, and particularly in areas that concern integration, security testing, as well as just operational readiness from the participant side, because they also need to be ready to face and be able to support consumers on the ground.
Mbango also explained the key advantages of IPP for the Namibian economy.
So the instant payment solution will fundamentally change how Namibians move money. It will allow them to transfer money instantly, not only between accounts or between wallets, but even between wallets and accounts. So it won't matter which bank you are with. In other words, you'll be able to send an e-wallet, for example, to your Bank Windhoek account and vice versa. So that's how it will change the way we make payments. For individuals in particular, it also means that you'll be able to send money to your family or to pay for goods and services, also in an instant manner, and you'll only be required to use simple identifiers such as a mobile number.
The Instant Payment Program aims to build a national payment infrastructure to support financial inclusion, particularly in the informal sector and rural communities, by enabling local banks to operate on a unified system operated by Instant Payment Namibia. Marsari Ikua, the Chief Operating Officer of Instant Payment Namibia, updated us on the current implementation stage of Namibia's Instant Payment Platform.
We've moved out of the design phase of our project and we're now in the implementation and testing phase. The core design work is largely complete and the platform is now being built and validated.
Ikua said Namibians can expect a secure and stable instant payment platform upon its launch.